scholar, I don't write no books. I don't spend my money on the last girl, honey, she hates my guts. I paid my rent late, so my landlord's angry. And all this shit keeps piling up and trying to hang me. I give my loving on the run, on the run. So don't you try to slow me down and walk around me. Sick of trying to strum along with your love song. So leave me here to pour another